Hello, this is Epson L805. So we take out the cover. Okay. We replace the ink tube by the black one, UV version. Alright. Now you see the damper. We replace by black one. Right? It's simple. Now we can see this is a UV curling now, right? We use hot glue to stick to the carriage. Okay. So this is a power line. It goes with the tube right here. Comes here. Goes out by here. Okay. And the switch. See the switch. We glue here. So every time you back to the position, it's off. So the light is off. As long as it goes out to printing, it's on. Right? Smart one. It goes, come back, off. And this is within bottle, so we can use the original is okay, but we just add a small bottle. It's okay, doesn't matter. So it's very simple, right? Very simple. And this line we use black tack, right?